I changed my personality. I hated the way I felt. I depend on my father. I loved myself from the inside first and developed traits that will be suitable to any human being. I play 20 different instruments. I speak 3 different languages. I've lost down from a size 30 to a size 14 in less than a year. I do MMA. I lift weights. I figure skate. And I love myself from the inside out. I love my God. I love my family. You develop good traits. You base your beauty on stuff that's tangible, stuff that's solid. You can win just like me. Yeah, I play ocarina too. That's 21.